Have you ever had a problem where your tummy is cramping and causing like actual pain, where you're bending over and starting to cry and everything? This little honey bun happened to have that go on earlier tonight, and she was really, really struggling, but we found a couple solutions, and she said she would like to make a little video about some of her ideas. So she originally, I helped her with 2 oils that happened to be in my pocket. One was in there because I had been telling somebody who struggles with like that hot feeling after you eat some food that rises up in your chest, that whole hot feeling. I was showing her something, and so I had picked up the DigestZen, and then I had put it back into my pocket. And so it was very convenient that I had it just hanging out in my jeans. And when she told me that she was having some tummy problems, I had something right there ready to help her with. But I also had worked with another mom whose child was feeling kind of flustered and needing a lot of extra attention and feeling kind of stressed. And so I had balance in my other pocket because I had just shared it with this other mom who popped by my house. And so that was really helpful. It's actually still in my pocket now too. So these were very helpful for us. This balance was great, which I guess is probably backwards since we're doing this particular mode. But anyway, so how many times do you think we had to put those oils on before they started to help your tummy feel better and help your nervousness and your anxious feelings about being sick? You think 4? Yeah, I think probably about 4 too. Yeah.
4 times.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So over the course of a couple of hours, we just did it probably about 4 times. And where did we put them?
Under my nose, within the digestion, and on my tummy, of course, and the balance on the back of my neck.
Yep. And when I didn't want to disturb you on the back of your neck, I just put it on your chest too. Sometimes just right under your jammy shirt there. Yeah. And then what else do you think was helpful? What else did we do that helped your cramps?
Funny videos.
Yeah. So we had tried singing, and we had tried thinking about other places on our body. Do you guys ever do that where, like, if your tummy hurts, then you wiggle your toe when it starts to feel like really bad? And if you're focusing on your toe, then it kind of helps you not focus on the pain. But yeah, we sang a song. But what really seemed to help her was laughing.
Funny videos.
So she thought to share with you guys that laughter is the best medicine, just like what they say. So, okay. Hope that helps y'all. Gives you some good ideas to use if you're struggling with some tummy cramps too. All right, you guys, stay courageous. Keep using your oils. Bye.
Bye.